In our last video, we reviewed adding a logo and gallery of images to a directory listing, and today we will put on the finishing touches by adding descriptions and hours of operation. Let's get started. In your dashboard, click into the Details tab. Enter a brief description of your organization here. This will only be used in a condensed list or tile view on website plugins. Click here to start typing more in-depth information about your organization. This description will show on our live site, as well as your organization's detail view on website plugins. Once you have your detailed description typed up, check out the formatting options to make it look top-notch. Furthest to the left, you have heading options. You can also add bold text, bullet points, and hyperlinks, and use the button furthest to the right to clear formatting. When you are happy with your description, click Update Profile. A success message at the top of the page confirms the update. If you'd like to check the live site, click View Profile. It's looking good. Now, let's add hours of operation. Click into Hours from your dashboard. Click Add Hours. Add a title and subtitle if you see fit. As you are adding hours, notice you can click into each field or tab over. Once all your hours have been added, click Update Profile at the bottom of the page. Notice the success message at the top to confirm. Remember, you can click View Profile to see where your hours of operation appear. Next, let's say we need to show seasonal hours. That's where adding multiple sets of hours is helpful. Let's rename this original set Summer Hours. Then, we can add a subtitle clarifying when summer hours run. Now, let's add another set of hours. Click Add Hours again to create our off-season hours. Click Title to select this newly created Hours tab. Give this new Hours tab a name. For us, we are calling this Off-Season. Fill in a subtitle if needed. In this case, it's helpful to show what dates our off-season hours run. Once you've added the hours, click Update Profile at the bottom of your page and watch for the success message at the top of your page. On the live site, you will see we now have two tabs in the Hours section. Users can toggle between these tabs to see both summer and off-season hours. Great work adding descriptions and hours of operation for your directory listing on WhatsUp247. Watch for more videos on topics like creating events, co-promotion, etc. And remember, you can always reach our support team by sending an email to support@whatsup247.com.